Hello, and I'll be making a presentation today on Miropass. Okay, first I'm going to make a brief introduction to this wonderful system, and then I'm going to show you procedures on how to go about your registration. For those who want to register both in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, any part of the state in Nigeria, any area, if you have a good network and have a mobile phone, you can follow the registration process, which I am going to show to you after this little brief rundown. Okay, now Miropass is a system, a new system that have come to Nigeria. It's a company, okay, that have come to Nigeria to make a difference in the shopping world, in the e-commerce world. When we say e-commerce, we're talking about electronic commerce, marketing, or online shopping. Okay? Now, Miropass is a brainchild idea of 3 professional friends from different disciplines and countries: USA, Turkey, and Nigeria. Now, they have come together to run a retail business with a difference. To enjoy this program, become an affiliate by shopping with any convenient startup package now. Now, how does it work? You know, normally we shop online on other platforms like Jumia, Konga, AliExpress. Like myself, I've shopped so many times in AliExpress, I've shopped many times in Jumia, in Konga. But you know what? After shopping, it ends there. Nothing happens. I don't get paid. You don't get paid, right? But Miropass says when you come and register with them and shop with them, whatever thing you shop with them, you get paid. Is that not wonderful? Is that not awesome? And so, let me explain how you join this package. First of all, there are 5 packages. These packages are like making yourself an affiliate. An affiliate means you are now a member of the company. You are now part of their investment, part of their system, and you benefit from it. You have the 10,000 package, the CP1, the 20,000 package, CP2, CP3, the 50,000 package, CP4, 100,000 package, CP5, 200,000 package. What it means is that let's take one of the packages as example, which is the CP5. CP5 package, you have a 30% daily bonus, as you can see. This means that, first of all, it works on a binary system, okay? Because this is the section of the Miropass system which deals with the networking part of the system, affiliate membership. You can join the system as a vendor. As a vendor means you can bring your goods and services. If you have a shop and you have goods to sell, maybe you are selling engine oils of different brands, you register with them. There are different packages also, which I'm still going to show you on the internet website. When you shop with, when you come in with your goods and services, you register with them, you show them pictures of what you sell, and you give them a sample of what you want to showcase in their website, in their shopping site. And then when you do that, you will now become a vendor, okay? A vendor affiliate member. But for the sake of this video slide, we are going to focus on the affiliate membership, which is you and I coming as a member to shop online or offline. Now, when you come into the system, like I said, with the 200,000 naira package, you will be given a weekly bonus of 3% weekly bonus. So if you said you have 200,000 naira as you registered, which goes to the system, mind you, that 200,000 naira does not go unrewarded. It goes like that. So, but it makes you a registered member in the system. Okay? Okay, and then you start earning weekly a 3%. And 3% of 200,000 naira will give you what? 6,000 naira weekly. And this goes on for 52 weeks until your return on investment ends, and then you can renew it if you want. Now, the daily team bonus happens if you come in with at least 2 members. This is where the binary system comes to play. Binary means you have a left and a right leg. When you come with 2 persons, you invite 2 persons to come and shop with them and make money. As you are making money, they pay you 30% as a 200,000 naira package owner. 30% of whatever those people you just brought in come with, and these people form your team. So imagine you have a left leg and a right leg of, let's say, 100,000, 50,000 respectively. They are going to pay you with the left leg, which is the lowest leg of 50,000 naira, 30%. You may ask me, why don't they pay with the highest link? I will tell you that this is how the company makes their money. And in the system of binary, they always pay with the lowest link, the lowest leg of your team or of your tree. Okay. Now, when you are not an affiliate member, when you are shopping, they give you a 1% discount on every item you purchase from their shopping mall, online or offline. 1 to 10%. Okay, now let's talk about the ways to earn. Like I was saying, whatever package you come with, you get 30% weekly bonus. Weekly bonus, it comes for 52 weeks until you get your return on investment with an additional 50% on top of it. Okay, you get without referring anyone. Let's say you come into the system and you don't want to work, you don't want to refer anybody, you want to sit down, you can still be shopping and you still be earning. Apart from the 3% weekly bonus, you will still get 1% discount on every shopping you make online. Okay, on the online shopping mall or on the offline shopping mall. Okay, and the shopping mall offline is located at plot 1598 Cadastral Zone A03 Almadu Bello Way, Garki 2, Abuja. The landmark is beside Okorocha Motors, opposite Rita Lori Hotel, Garki 2, Abuja. I come again. The offline mall is at plot 1598 Cadastral Zone A03 Almadu Bello Way, okay, Garki 2, Abuja. The landmark is beside Okorocha Motors, opposite Rita Lori Hotel, Garki 2, Abuja. Alright, so you can look at your screen and you start seeing other incentives, VTU services. You can recharge your phone, pay your NEPA bills, pay your cable, your DOTV and DSTV bills. Also, you can withdraw directly to your bank account. And you can register someone using your dashboard balance. You can register someone also, new persons, directly from your dashboard. Okay, and this is the company's account, the GT Bank account. This is the GT account number, the Miropass Investment Limited. Okay, you see account number on your screen. You can use your ATM also, card online to register. I'm going to show you the process again. And you can also use quick teller payment to register. Okay, so there is also what we call spillover, and it's very real. Spillover means when you bring in introduce two persons to the system to shop with you, and they are under your binary tree, just two persons, your tree has been filled already. Now, if you bring in more persons, like the third person or the fourth person, it spills over those two people you brought. So we call spillover. It comes under them, and further people comes under those other people. That is how your tree grows. Okay. Now, is it possible for all this amount you see in a week, 300,000 maximum, a week? Now, I will explain it in the next presentation, which is on registration. Okay, so let's go to the registration website. The website is miropassamat.com or miropass.org. Now, when you go to miropass.org, let's go back and see. Let's go back and see the main shopping site. Okay, now this is www.miropass.org. Now, if you look at this is the shopping site. This is the shopping site. What do you do here? Is, of course, those of us who know how to shop online. You can see things are already online. This is a blender. This is a laptop, Lenovo ThinkPad. You have the Casa Premium washing machine, the Polystar home theater, and many more. Okay, but we are not talking about shopping here. We are going to talk about how to register. Okay, so if you have a mobile phone, you can easily follow this process on how to register. All right. Now look at, there's an icon of a portrait image at the top right corner of your screen. So when you click it, you see login. Okay, So for those who are members, if you want to shop in, you click in this login icon, and then you put in your username and password, and you log into the system. All right, log into the system. So, but we are not going on this now. We're going to registration. So for registration purposes, scroll down to the bottom page of the home page. Scroll down to the bottom page of the home page of the online shopping site. When you scroll down, back to the page again. When you scroll down, all the way down, you see home, about us, terms and conditions, affiliate, vendor hub, marketplace, contact. So you click the affiliate because we want to register as an affiliate member, not a vendor hub member. Vendor hub marketplace means if you have some goods and services and you want to showcase them in their online shopping mall and make money and make profit, then you register as a vendor hub. You display your goods and services, and people come to patronize you all over the world. Millions of people, you attract traffic to your business and you make a lot of profit. This is a very good one for those who are business people, who are importers and exporters. This is good for you. But for those of us who are not having business, who want to make money from the company directly, then you click affiliate. Click affiliate, and then the page opens. You see this page? It opens, it shows how it works. So what you do, you scroll down, you see it explains about the vendor hub membership. Then it explains also the Miropass and MAT affiliate program, and then it explains the compensation plan. So you take your time. You can also go through this, though I've gone through all these things recently on the previous slide, but let me quickly just run through it again. Now we are talking about the compensation plan here. How do they compensate you? This is the way they compensate you. Now, if you come in with, I always refer to 200,000 naira package because it's the best package. If you come with 200,000 naira package, now, like it's purely 2-1 binary structure. 2-1 means that you are the first person. It's 2 level. It's 2 level, and then it's a binary structure. Okay, you are the first person, and you come with 2 persons, and the other 2 persons come with 2 persons. Okay, and it keeps increasing. But you have only a 2 leg that you can feel. The 2-1 means it stops at the first level. There is no other level slot meant for you, but that level is meant for other persons that you introduce to the system. Okay, so that is why this is binary structure 2:1. All right, membership between Miropass and MAT affiliation programs requires buying of any of the following customer packages. Now, if it is 200,000 naira package you come with, you have 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, and 200,000. You come with 200,000 naira package. Now, this is the maximum withdrawal that you can get a day. Look at it at the bottom, 300,000 naira daily. Now, before you can be able to achieve this 300,000 naira daily, you have to do some work. Some work in the sense that you have to be able to introduce more people to the system to come and shop and make money, and then if your dashboard balance has your accrual of your benefits, your accrual of your earnings have got to 300,000 naira, then you can withdraw it daily. This is the maximum. You can't withdraw above 300,000 naira on a 200,000 naira package, on a CP5 package. Okay, while on a CP1 package is a maximum of 5,000 naira a day. On a CP2 package is 15,000 naira a day. On a CP3 package, 40,000. On a CP4 package, 120,000 naira a day. Okay, and there are other ways to earn from Miropass. Like I explained, weekly bonus, team bonus, which is 30%, 10% shopping voucher, which is on your mall. Okay, and then VTU services. All right. So to register, it's well explained. You can see everything here on the structure. So you keep scrolling down, and then you see register here, register now. Okay, so you click register now. When you click register now, it goes to the registration page. Okay, coming in with an affiliate member account, you click an affiliate member account, and when you do that, you see the affiliate package comes up. and you click the arrow, it shows you these 5 options to choose. Are you coming with 10,000 package, with 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, or 200,000 package? So if you select 200,000, it shows there. You can insert your name. For this purpose, I insert my name. Okay, insert your name, and then your phone number. Insert your phone number, and then insert your email address. Okay, and your login name. You can insert your login name. You can put this as a login name, and then your password, and then you put in your address, and then select your country. In this case, I'm selecting my country as Nigeria. Okay, and then select the state, select the city, and then you submit. Once you click submit, like this, you click submit, it's going to show you a page. Thank you. Okay, you're going to show you this page and say, I want to affiliate member create this, that, your name, your phone number, your address, and everything. It's going to show you like this, and then you see it sends me a message. To send you a message, and it says your form was successfully submitted. You will receive the information shown above. So you go to your email box. This is my email box now. You get a message from support@miropassamad.com as we thank you for your submission. Okay, normally it's at your inbox, primary inbox, support, and then you get this message. It says form submit confirmation. Thank you for filling out our affiliate vendor hub registration form. Just a quick note confirming that we received your information in good order. To activate your account, kindly make payment to account name, the Miropass Investment Limited, account number 102099568 UBA. So if you need any information, go on status to contact us. Now, as experience have shown, we have been the system. We advise that you pay into this account that is sent to you, and then send us the SMS that was sent to you as per you have made your payment. They'll send you the debit alert SMS. Do not show us your account balance. Just show us send that message to your upline or to me. I'll go about and process your registration. Okay, and after processing your registration, this is what you will see. You are going to see something like this. You're going to see a welcome email, and the welcome email looks in this format. Okay, sorry, it's not opening. Trying to open. Yes, you're going to see something like this. Okay, after your successful registration, they're going to send you a message in your inbox, or you check your spam or junk folder. In your email, you see this message that you have been successfully registered, and it says registration confirmation. Hello, Sydney Springs, thanks for registering with us. Please do not share information and all that. So it shows you your ID, it shows you your username, and it shows you your sponsor ID, and then the password. Okay, so this is your login information that you're going to log in into your dashboard online. And to log in, you have to go back to the vendor hub. Okay, this is my page already. It's going to go back to miropassamad.com/user panel, or that page I showed you earlier on in the online shopping mall. You click in the portrait and then click login, and then you log in your details. But quickly, it's an easy way. You can type in this link on your browser, https://miropassamad.com/user-panel/index.php. This page is going to come up. Okay, this page will come up. This is the official login page, and then you put in your username, which was sent to you in the email. You put in your password, and then you click sign in. Once you click sign, thank you very much for watching the video. You can subscribe to my video channel. And also stay updated and stay online, because I'm going to make the next presentation, the next video concerning the frequently asked questions. I'm going to treat and answer all questions in Meropass. In case you are doubting the system, in case you have people who are asking questions, you will see the answers in the next video. So do not relax, try to come online and also see the next video. And you can call my number, you can send me messages, I'll reply, or you can use my sponsor ID to make your registrations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thank you very much.